What is reverse charge? Reverse charge means that the liability to pay taxes on the recipient of supply of goods or services. In normal cases, tax is collected by the seller from the purchaser and deposited to the government's account. However, in some cases, GST has to be collected by the purchaser of goods or service instead of the seller because the seller is not registered under GST. Here, the recipient is liable to pay tax on behalf of the seller to the government. Reverse charge is applicable during supply of specific goods or services notified by government under the applicable sections of GST, and also when a registered person purchases goods or services from an unregistered person. Input tax credit is available on reverse charge. Happy learning! E-way bill stands for electronic way bill. As the term suggests, this is an electronically generated bill or document connected to movement of a consignment or goods for that matter. The interesting part here is that the e-way bill is applicable for consignments moving within the same state, which is intrastate, and across states, which is interstate, and the value of the consignment should exceed Indian rupees 50,000. E-way bills could be generated through the e-way bill portal or through SMS. Here, you will learn how e-way bill is generated step by step. First of all, you need to be registered on the e-way bill portal, that is ewaybill.nic.in. The invoice or bill or challan related to the consignment of goods must be kept handy. Details on transportation, either by air, land, or water, and the transporter's information need to be entered as well. Now that we have registered, let's log in. Enter the username, password, and CAPTCHA code. Then click on Login. After logging in, click on Generate New under e-way bill option appearing on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Now you need to enter the following fields on the screen that appears. Transaction type. Here you need to choose between outward or inward supply based on whether you are delivering or receiving a consignment. From the subtype, select the relevant subtype as applicable. The abbreviations SKD or CKD would stand for goods in semi-knocked down condition or completely knocked down condition. In document type, select either it's an invoice or a bill, challan, credit note, bill of entry, or bill of supply, or select others if not listed. After that, go to the document number section and enter the document or invoice number. Document date is the date of invoice or that of the challan or document that you need to enter. Depending on whether you are a supplier or a recipient, you need to enter the to and from section details. If the supplier or client is unregistered, then mention URP in the field where you need to populate GST-IN number indicating that the supplier or client is an unregistered person. Next, we need to enter the item details like product name, description of the product, HSN code, quantity, unit, value, that is a taxable value, and tax rates paid for CGST, SGST, or IGST in percentage. The tax rate of cess, if applicable, also needs to be filled up. Next comes the transporter's details. the mode of transport, be it through road, rail, ship, or air, and the approximate distance covered in kilometers needs to be compulsorily mentioned in this part. Apart from above, either the transporter name, transporter ID, transporter document number and date, or the vehicle number in which consignment is being transported needs to be mentioned. Once this part is also filled, click on Submit. The system validates data entered and would show you if you have any errors. Otherwise, your request is processed and the e-way bill in form EWB-01 with a unique 12-digit number is generated. The e-way bill generated looks similar to this one. Print and carry the e-way bill while transporting your goods. Thank you.
GST concept simplified. What is continuous supply? When goods and services are offered or supplied periodically, that is on a weekly basis, fortnightly basis, monthly basis, every quarter, and when payments are also made periodically, that is with a scheduled frequency, it is called a continuous supply. For example, the electricity department provides continuous supply to its customers for which payments are done monthly or once in 2 months. GST concepts simplified for you. What's a mixed supply? A mixed supply is when two or more individual supplies of goods or services are made together with each other by a taxable person for a single price. Each of these items can be supplied separately and is not dependent on any other. For example, a supply of combo package by KFC consisting of burger, french fries, chocolates and soft drinks for a single price is a mixed supply. All these products can be sold separately too.